Alright, so here's the Bard Walmart heat pump. Now I got a heat mode startup of not that long ago. It's on cool mode, I believe, right now. And would you look at that? Entire solid frozen compression. And this is not the first time I've seen this though. And the fan mode is actually barely spinning on it. It looks like, because I guess the fan mode just got replaced, and that's what is causing, you know, what's going on here. So brand new fan mode is already failing. I'm pretty sure the other one is probably like that too, but you know, the fan mode on the other one went bad when it was on heat mode quite late a month after it ran. But, I mean, this is just ridiculous. If these companies cannot make these fan motors like they used to now, then at this point you're probably just gonna have to replace the whole unit. At least that's what my statement is. So here's the other one. It's not running right now. Actually, it hasn't ran. I believe that's another fan motor or some sort. Yep, because the old motor went bad in it, and I got a defrost from it, so it still has the same scroll compressor in it. I'm pretty sure this motor should be good, but I may have to check this whole thing out. Anyway, I figure I want to show this as well. But either way, pretty much that's this thing is about done for. And imagine this fan motor was put in some point, like probably like January or something. Right now, as I'm recording, it is March 16th. Pretty much the old motor that was in here when I got the heat mode started, it still worked fine. So I don't even know. Even the reversing valve, at least a part of it, is frozen on it too. And this is ridiculous. So whoever this company is that make these fan motors, as you can see here, pretty much that make the fan motor for these Bard Walmart units, yep, they are probably not that good anymore, at least from what I've known here. So anyway, this is about it.